To go through an automatic car wash, follow these general steps. Prepare your vehicle. Remove any loose items from the exterior, such as antennas or roof racks, to prevent damage during the car wash. Make sure all windows and sunroofs are closed tightly. Approach the entrance. Drive your vehicle slowly and carefully towards the entrance of the automatic car wash. Follow any signs or instructions provided by the car wash facility. Pay or activate the wash. Some automatic car washes require payment at a kiosk or through a payment system. Follow the instructions provided to make the payment or activate your wash. Follow the guide rails. Once you've entered the car wash, align your vehicle's tires with the guide rails. These rails will help guide your vehicle through the wash safely. Shift to neutral. If your vehicle has an automatic transmission, you may be required to shift into neutral during the car wash. Refer to any signage or instructions inside the car wash for guidance on shifting gears. Follow the instructions. Pay attention to any instructions displayed on signs or monitors throughout the car wash. They may indicate when to stop, when to engage your brakes, or when to proceed. Stay centered and maintain a safe distance. Keep your vehicle centered between the guide rails and maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. This will help ensure a smooth and efficient car wash experience. Stay inside your vehicle. In most automatic car washes, it is recommended to remain inside your vehicle with the windows closed throughout the process. This is for your safety and to prevent any damage. Exit the car wash. Once you reach the end of the car wash, follow any instructions to safely exit the facility. Drive slowly and be aware of your surroundings. Note, different automatic car washes may have variations in their processes and equipment. Always follow any specific instructions provided by the car wash facility and exercise caution during the entire process.